Okay, you know that pre-speech panic? We're gonna turn that into pure podium power.
Seriously, we've all sat through those talks. But yours? They're gonna be unforgettable.
So how do you do it? Well, it's not magic. It's a framework. Let's start with the blueprint.
Right. Every great talk is built on a solid foundation. This is where we begin. Think about it. If they only remember one thing, what is it? That's your North Star. And get this, our brains just love the number 3. It's kind of like a cheat code. So, hook 'em, engage 'em, then inspire 'em. That 3-part structure is pure gold. Okay, you've got your plan. Now, for the big one, let's tackle those nerves. See, your brain thinks it's a lion, but it's not. You just have to relabel that fear. Seriously, just say this out loud. It actually tricks your brain and calms you down. This is a great trick. It's called box breathing. Just do this a few times before you go on.
All right, you're calm, you're ready. Now it's time to get on stage and own that room.
Here's the secret weapon: story. People forget data, but they remember a great story.
How much more memorable? 22 times. Yeah, that's a huge difference, right?
And this is so important. Make it about you, the audience. It's a total game changer. Basically, you want to make it a two-way street. Turn your talk into a conversation. Okay, performance is huge, but let's quickly cover your tools, your slides, and your time. Ever hear of the 10-20-30 rule? It's a lifesaver for keeping your slides super clear. Exactly. Your slides are the backup singers. You are the star of the show. And here's a pro tip. Only plan for 80% of your time. That buffer is clutch. All right, you've got them hooked. Now, how do you make the ending absolutely unforgettable? Remember, they remember the beginning and the end the most. So make that final moment count. Bottom line, it's not a lecture, it's a show. So bring the energy. You got this.